On the first day of this exercise, a Chinese H-6 strategic bomber flew to the Sea of Japan to rendezvous with Russian forces. Typically, it's a norm to have an escort fighter jet accompanying such missions for protection. However, Chinese J-16 fighters escorting the bomber turned back after crossing the Tsushima Strait about 900 kilometers from Chinese mainland, thus leaving the bomber to continue alone. This raised questions about J-16's operational range. Despite boasting a theoretical range of 4,000 kilometers, the fighters carried only 4 missiles, just a fraction of their 12 available weapon stations, and still failed to complete the mission. Defense analysts attribute this to high fuel consumption of Chinese-built WS-10 engines, which fall short of performance of their Russian AL-31F predecessors. The next day, Russian Tu-95 bombers joined the operation, flying through the Tsushima Strait and heading towards the Pacific Ocean via Miyako Strait. The Japanese Self-Defense Force observations revealed the Chinese Yu-20 aerial tanker refueling J-16 fighters just 800 kilometers from China, a puzzling short distance for refueling. This premature refueling suggests severe limitation in J-16's range when equipped with WS-10 engines. Even more telling, 2 additional J-16 fighters sent to escort the H-6 bombers came back to base after they failed to reach Miyako Strait, underscoring persistent fuel and range constraints. The J-16's range claims were thus totally and clearly exaggerated. While its advertised 4,000 km range assumes subsonic cruising without combat maneuvers, real-world conditions drastically reduce its combat radius possibly to less than 1,000 km. China's engine technology continues to be a major bottleneck. For instance, the WS-10 engine's high fuel consumption limits the range, while reliability issues plague high-performance models like the WS-15 used in J-20 stealth fighter. In one test flight, WS-15 suffered high-temperature failures at speeds near Mach 2.5. These engine limitations undermine China's claims for long-range capabilities for other aircrafts, such as J-20 and the J-35. Underlying these technical and tactical failures is the widespread corruption within the China's military-industrial complex. Recent anti-corruption campaigns have removed numerous high-ranking officials, exposing mismanagement and inefficiencies in defense projects. For example, one engine development program reportedly consumed over 15 billion yuan, yet only a fraction of that funding went towards actual research and development. The joint patrols between China and Russia served more as a political theater than demonstration of military strength. China's H-6 bomber flew without payload, undermining its claim as a strategic deterrent, while operational flaws exposed glaring weaknesses in Chinese aviation technology. For Russia, the exercise was a symbolic gesture than a commitment to robust cooperation. The events of November 29th and 30th highlight the challenges facing China's ambitions to project power beyond its border. As Beijing grapples with technological limitations and systemic corruption, its ability to match the capabilities of established military powers remains questionable.